Hey, I'm Jen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be making another Snoop Dogg recipe. This one is going to be the Fauxtisserie chicken and vegetables. And I think it turned out pretty good. Ish. This video, we are making the Fauxtisserie chicken with vegetables. The first step is to prepare your chicken. This is the day before, so the rest of this video we will finish tomorrow. But you want to take this spice blend here, which is 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika. It says 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Did not have any, so I did go for dried onion. It's got the same flavor. It's just going to be chunkier on the skin. And also half a teaspoon of pepper. So we're supposed to take this and rub it all over the skin of our chicken, and then we're going to wrap it up in plastic wrap and leave it sit in the fridge overnight. Make sure that you cover this chicken really well with this seasoning blend, and then you gotta make it dance. That's a very important step. And I covered my chicken with 2 layers of plastic so it didn't leak. There we go, and we're gonna see you tomorrow, big guy. We're gonna get our carrots and potatoes prepped to go with our chicken here. Look at these big old chonkin' carrots. These are supposed to be fingerling potatoes. My store never has fingerling potatoes, but they do have these little potatoes, and I figure they'll do. They're just not, you know, finger shaped. We're gonna cut these in half and cut this into 1-inch pieces, and then we're gonna get our chicken ready to go in the oven. Preheated the oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 Celsius. Now we're unwrapping our chicken. Plopping that chicken in a rimmed baking dish here. The book does not technically say to plop it. So here's our guy. So 2 garlic cloves. I'm gonna put, it's supposed to be, well, one teaspoon is between 1 and 2 cloves of garlic, so I put just a tad bit extra. But yeah, so you're supposed to shove is such a bad word, because it doesn't say shove. You're supposed to place, stuff, whatever, put a roughly diced onion and the 2 cloves of garlic in the cavity of the bird. The recipe says to take your carrots and potatoes, put them around the chicken, drizzle them with olive oil, and then toss them as you add your salt, pepper. I'm just going to do the olive oil and salt and pepper in this bowl, toss it in here, and then put them around the chicken. This is about 1.5 pounds of potatoes and 1 pound of carrots. If you are not confident in your tossing skills, just use a spoon or your hands. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna tuck the wings behind it like this, just so this little part here doesn't get too dried out or burnt. I usually do this with my turkey as well. Just little tips of the wing. Oh, stay where I put you. There. We'll put this bird in the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the chicken thigh here, until that part reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. So, and then we will go to the next step. It only took 2.5 hours for our chicken here to be finished. I'm gonna go ahead and take the bird off of the pan. And that's supposed to rest for 15 minutes. We're gonna drain. I'm just gonna kind of coat these vegetables a little bit in the drippings, and then I'm gonna drain it off and then put these back into the oven under the broiler for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Just make sure you keep an eye on them so they don't burn. So yeah, I'm gonna drain off the fat from these and put it back in the oven. So this is how it turned out. Chicken here, got our vegetables here. Now we're gonna go ahead and get stuff plated up and see what Chad thinks about it.
Skin is very flaky.
It's crispy.
And chicken's real good, the skin's too flaky.
Flaky.
Well, not flaky, just...
Like it's dry?
Yeah, well, rubber, I can't get it to rip apart.
So you don't like the skin on it?
Yeah.
Okay, but the chicken's good.
Yeah, it's real good.
Like the vegetables?
So far, I've only had a carrot.
Mm.
But yeah, they're good. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. I like the potatoes and the carrots. Chicken's really good.
What are you doing with your hand?
Yes.
You're so in frame.
Yo, what up?
Now you're going to be in the video.
Yeah, smack me.
Doris, you're in the video. Alright, we're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked that video, click the like button. If you haven't already, click subscribe and hit that little notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a video. And thanks so much for stopping by.
Y'all come back now. Cheers.